Hi, this is Doug with Design 8 Studio. Because my plasma machine has a 1-to-1 ratio without a voltage reducer or voltage divider, I was advised by Peter C. Wallace, the founder of MESA Electronics and designer of the MESA THC analog to digital converter boards and maker of the MESA Ethernet breakout boards, to put a high voltage resistor, a 2.4 M resistor, externally into the negative lead on the way from the plasma cutter to the torch height control analog to digital board, which you see here. And this was simply because I bought one that's made to work with a voltage divider, and I had asked him about returning it to get one that's made for working without a voltage divider, or just modifying this one so it would work. And so he gave me advice that it could be modified and it would save from sending high voltage across a longer wire than it needed to be. But I wound up putting the THC AD onto the plasma machine instead of in my control box anyway. So I would have shortened that high voltage wire in any event. But the case that you see is something I designed and 3D printed. And so I say jokingly, it's an open and shut case. Until the next time, happy making.